Then what is spirituality for you?
Spirituality means when we are getting contentment, happiness
Uh,
somewhere in
yes.
someone. So that is spirituality.
Uh-huh.
When you are getting a happiness, and that happiness is connected to your heart. No, so
Mm-hmm.
that is spirituality. Every time in the morning and at noon, and every time whenever who just do lots of mantras and puja, and doing going here and there, and so that is not only worship. Worship is by heart. If you give respect to your east dev, so that is by
Yes.
your heart.
Mm-hmm.
It's not so necessary that you will always sit for hours to hours to get him pleased. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed, and you are spot on. This is the real meaning of spirituality, because if you are not going for temple, if you suppose if you
Hmm.
are not saying your prayers in the morning, in the evening, and you are not going for the temple, you are not allowing yourself for any spiritual and a divine activity. But if you help a person who is in need, that is a spirituality. God is not saying you come to my temple and offer a lot of offerings to me. No, God is not saying, and nothing. It's there is no hard and fast rule is written anywhere for God, that all rules is actually made by us, right? Right. So my spirituality for me, if I'm helping a person in a day, that is my spirituality. God always used to say, if you help someone, that
Hmm.
means you make me happy. So try
Right.
to provide your helping hand a person who is in need. If you are capable, if you are privileged to provide that, don't go beyond and above and beyond, right? So always there should be a line. There should be a line also. हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते ना कि अपने घर को छोड़ के दूसरे घर पर दें. We can't. I don't believe in this principle. Like I said ना, we should not go above and beyond. मतलब इतना ज्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए. उतना ही करो,
Right.
that much which actually your
Yeah, that
conscious
we
is
can
allowing
afford
you.
everywhere. Yeah.
Yes, which we can afford easily.
Yeah, really. Even
Okay.
when we do puja in the evening and in the morning as well, so that time we do so because by doing this we get a positive aura, and we feel that we are getting some strength, and
Mm-hmm.
that is just keep us energetic to do new works, and we get some strength that help us to move forward.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
In my home, there is a small temple I have
Mm,
in my home. So whenever I feel like I'm not in a mood to talk with and going very low, right? After all, I'm a
mm,
human being. I have a plethora of emotion. I just go and sit there, just close my eyes, right? Just say my prayers. Just
mm.
say my prayers and just love to sit there for for a while, for half an hour, for 1 hour. I
Really.
feel meditation for my soul, a kind of a meditation for my soul. And when I look at the, to my God, to my
Mm.
Ishtadev, like you just mentioned, to sight for my soul eyes, kind of a blessing and showering, and the positive vibes, aura I'm feeling,
Yeah.
filled a kind of, energy in me. Again, I regain, restore my energy and stand like a mountain and welcoming all hurdles by opening my arms.
Really, 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 it happens when
Yes.
we do all these with wholeheartedly. Now, so we get enormous.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And I would like to give you one compliment here. And seriously, I always feel you have the same thing. What actually I also applying on my day-to-day conversation, you always smile. That's the best part. We need to be and we need to learn that when we are connecting with the people now, don't forget, वो smile को घर पे मत रख कर आइए. Don't get that smile at home. Always along with it, right? So it's very important. Great.
Actually, the person who feels happy from inside, so that time it gives that gloom to their personality that reflects in front of everyone. They can
Hmm.
understand what is the artificial one and what is the real one.
Yes, yes, yes.
It's very
We can't.
easy to judge. It is very easy to judge that the other person is showing the happiness that is real or fake.
Yes, we can't be superficial always, all the time. Just going with the word. कुछ भी नहीं
Hmm.
हम बोल सकते ना. So we have to be very careful about the words, the thoughts, and everything. If you
Hmm.
want to deliver, if you want to say something in a good way. But let me just ask
Yeah.
you one more question here also. Just we are talking to everyone. Sometimes we are not in the mood to talk with anyone, but still we
Hmm.
have to connect because this is our work, this is our job, and this is, I would say, our passion. So how
Hmm.
would you energize yourself? How would you restore your energy that time when you are not in mood to connect with anyone?
Yeah, first of all, that is hardly any moment when I don't feel that I am not going to connect with anyone. If I have time, and
Mm-hmm.
so that time I'm always ready to connect with someone. Because nowadays I am learning this language. I just want to give my 100% efforts towards this language so that I know that I make mistakes, but I am working as well time to time. Yeah.
That's okay. Don't bother about the mistake. Even I don't, right?
Yeah.
Even I don't bother about the mistake. If you are a confident person, the revolutionary idea for this, first you
Hmm.
need to be confident, whatever you are presenting, right? If you are a confident person, if you have that tremendous quality, every, mistake, every hurdles will be covered by the confidence.
Really.
So,
Actually, this is my good efforts towards me only. That previously I would be a hesitant person, but now I feel I'm quite confident. I can
yes,
talk each and every person, whosoever is there in front of me. I'm not thinking that what to talk and how to
uh,
talk.
same here, same here. I just go with the
Hmm.
flow and whatever comes. And I never ever prepare myself. I believe
Yeah,
in self, spontaneous talk. I believe in saying by my heart. Not
really.
preparing myself कि आज मुझे use ये करना है. I have to use this word, that word, blah blah blah, many things. No, I'm
Hmm.
not forcing myself. It should be look like a natural. वो it should not be look like a robotic.
Really,
ये
really.
no, it should be in an authentic way.
Yeah, I also love the way as we
Mm-hmm.
are following nowadays. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, our conversation should be authentic only with others so that we can present what I am in real.
That's very important, very very essential. Okay, so anything you want to ask me? I ask a lot of questions, huh?
Yeah. First of all, I want to give you one compliment about your parenting.
Okay.
That your kids are very sweet and they follows you in
Uh,
speaking English as well.
uh,
Whenever they speak English, I feel that they looks quite confident and elegant in the language as well. That's
yes,
good.
I would say, all these ethos, manners,
Hmm.
I have, cultivated at the early age.
Yeah.
It's not just like that, it's happening, and I'm giving a kind of a syrup today, and over the period of, overnight they will change it. No, it's not.
Hmm. Really, really.
It's a hard efforts, and I would say I put my foot on the gas to make them
Hmm.
confident, to make them well versed with this language.
Yes. I'm also trying to nurturing my kids in this manner only.
Oh, of course, you are a teacher. I think you are experienced more than me.
No, it's okay. Everyone has particular experience,
Yes.
and they are perfect in that one. Yes.
Yes, everybody has,
There is something.
yes,
Yes.
everybody
There is
has,
something or the other that we can get from others. Yeah.
yes, specialization. Everybody
Hmm.
have their own specialization, right?
Really.
You have different, I have different, right? Maybe I am good at some point and maybe you are good at some other point, right? So we
Hmm.
can't compare. That's very great.
Yes.
All we need to do it, we need to learn from the other personality instead of
Hmm.
looking for any kind of, अरे इसमें तो ये बुरा है, something ये don't look like that, look at the other side of also.